Thermo Scientific, Indiko, and Indiko Plus are fully automated, random access benchtop analyzers for labs of any size. They offer maximum ease of use, reliability, and cost effectiveness for clinical chemistry and specialty testing. More than 6,500 chemistry analyzers running on the reliable Indiko platform have been installed worldwide so far. Come with us to see what our customers are saying.
I found the Indiko Plus extremely simple to use and very intuitive to understand. We use Indiko Plus to screen urine and tissue samples for drugs of abuse and drugs of interest. We are using the CDIA test kits as well as the DRI test kits. The screening process that we utilize with the Indiko Plus has just honestly streamlined our entire process that leads to targeted analysis. And last of all, I'd like to say we have a really excellent team here in Basel. Their support and their technical expertise has been above and beyond what we could expect and could want.
Nosotros elegimos este equipo por su precisión y velocidad en el tiempo de entregas de resultados.
Las ventajas del analizador Indiko Plus es que es muy preciso y veraz en la emisión de resultados de control de calidad externo e interno. Es un equipo que requiere poca interacción con el usuario y no es necesario detener el proceso para abastecer consumibles.
Nosotros recomendamos el Indiko Plus por su precisión y veracidad, estabilidad y robustez que nos permiten cumplir con los tiempos de entrega y de calidad de los resultados.
It process all our biochem tests expeditiously, so makes us a lot of choice within the hospital. The fact that it's robust and runs very quick makes our job much easier. At the cost effectiveness, I would say, which is very good for our business as well. But not only that, I think the array of tests that it offers, and we don't have to get an additional instrument to run other analytes, biochem analytes. So we basically run almost everything that is requested in the hospital. So.
We have chosen Indiko analyzers because of the simplicity and ease of use, low water consumption, and low power requirements. We do use analyzers for routine clinical chemistry and for specialty testing such as CRP. The most important thing is that the Indiko analyzer has good external proficiency testing results, which we participate in twice a year.
У нас установлен для биохимических исследований прибор, который называется Indiko Plus, на котором мы выполняем рутинные биохимические исследования по определению ферментов, субстратов и спецбелков, в частности гликированный гемоглобин. Данный прибор у нас эксплуатируется с 2016 года и зарекомендовал себя как надежный и простой в эксплуатации прибор. У него очень доступное программное обеспечение, позволяющее выполнять работу даже людям со средним медицинским образованием.